A new poll shows vast majority of Americans disagree with Supreme Court reversing gay marriage. A recent poll done by the 19th and Momentive shows that most Americans disagree with the Supreme Court's draft decision to overturn Roe versus Wade, as well as the other landmark cases that might be put at risk by that decision. 83% of Americans don't want the Supreme Court to overturn Griswold versus Connecticut, the decision that established the right to contraception. 78% said they did not want to see the overturning of Loving versus Virginia, the case that allows for interracial marriage. 70% of Americans continue to support Obergefell versus Hodges, the case that legalized same-sex marriage. Roe versus Wade actually has the least support, but still has 65% of Americans wanting the case to stand.
There we go.
You guys think about this? Are you surprised by this poll?
No, and once this decision is filed and made final, marriage is absolutely on the table. Mm-hmm. Absolutely on the table. I mean, these are judges that are appointed by base pandering politicians. And the fact is that the majority does not rule in this country. A small, as I said, base pandering group of politicians gets to set policy. So yeah, there's absolutely no doubt we could be down on this road. And it's already being triggered in many states. The Griswold decision, because the morning after pill, as it's familiarly called, will be banned in several states once this becomes the standing Supreme Court decision and the precedent.
But I bet you can get a gun.
Oh yeah.
How crazy is this that we're even having this conversation? How about the 70% on interracial marriage? Really? Like, we're really having that conversation?
We are having that conversation.
Like, are we in 1948 and I just didn't know it?
That is what they're trying to roll us back to, is back before women truly had any type of rights about their bodies, before individuals within the queer community, within community of colors, really had anything to say, could have anything to say, really. They're trying to turn back the clock, and that's what, honestly, we need to try to stop right there, is turning back that clock. It should not happen. It cannot happen, because it's going to take rights away from so many of us that are sitting here right now today.
Well, and those percentages do diminish, unfortunately, so by the time you do get to Obergefell, it's a little bit lower than some of the others, so that's a little frightening, but at least it's higher than you expect.
It's still very scary, okay? Like, I'm married, Greg is married, okay? Like, this is our livelihood. This is our home.
Right.
Exactly.
I'm gonna be single. Not funny.
I mean, I'm unlovable, but I still like the option that I could be buried someday.
I was ready to be your flower girl, Tom.
Yes.
I'm like, I can be like your maid of honor.
I love that idea.
Or your bouncer. I'll take that too.
LGBTQ plus news is vital for our community and for the broader world as a whole. We have enough enemies at Fox News. Tucker, Sean, and Laura are loud. We need passionate allies. Happening Out television network, Queer News Tonight, and It's Happening Out are literally out of the closet and into the headlines. Our community needs your support. Like this broadcast and subscribe now to ensure the growth of the entire LGBTQ+